Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. I'm really in a rush. I'm going to show you this look right here, which is very simple, very beginner friendly. I only used 3 shadows including the inner corner highlighter. So if you want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. Okay, I'm currently wearing my favorite shirt. This is the one that I just got custom made for the Ed Sheeran concert in 2019. That's why it's my favorite shirt, because it reminds me of that day. Whatever. I have exactly 20 minutes to do my makeup. My eyeshadow, because I do have my face makeup on. First I'm going to prime my eyelids. As usual, I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I really want to do heavier makeup, but it's been a busy month for me. I just don't have time to sit down and spend a lot of time on my makeup, unfortunately. Hopefully this week, I think, I will be able to film a heavier look. Until the primer dries, I'm going to do my lips. I'll apply that beautiful combo that I discovered a few videos ago. The NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Beige and the Fenty gloss bomb in the shade Fussy. And I will overline my lips in the center. Contour my lower lip. I don't usually overline my lower lip. It's mostly just my top lip that I want to look a little bit fuller. And I'll apply the gloss bomb. This for me is that your lips but better combo. I think I will use 2 palettes from Juvia's Place. This is the Tribe by Juvia's Place, and this is the Nomad by Juvia's Place. I will try to keep things as soft as possible. Well, actually no, I don't need the Nomad. I wanted the Nomad for this shade here in the corner, but I feel like the Tribe has a similar one. This one, that kind of a cool tone brown. So we'll just use the Tribe palette. I'm going to pick up this shade on a Morphe M507. I don't know if I ever used this shade. It looks untouched. And I will just stamp this on my other corner. This is exactly how I wanted it to be. Like, it's like a brown with a greenish tint. Like last week we've been away from home for 4 days for my boyfriend's birthday. I'm just uploading videos like day by day. Like literally this morning I edited a video that I'm going to upload today, and this is so stressful for me. I usually film videos like a week in advance to not be stressed. Okay, so I'm extending the shadow a little bit in my other corner, and I also applied it on my lower lash line, but again just in my other corner, and really fading by applying less pressure on the brush and kind of moving my way upwards. I will use a fluffy blending brush. This is the Juvia's Place 007 to really fade this edge. And because of that trip right now, I don't have the time to do anything. And it also feels like I have 4 jobs. And I've had quite a few appointments in the past weeks. I don't complain. Not at all. I'm really happy about it. But that left me with 0 free time. That's why I'm always in a rush. And I want to be consistent on YouTube. I don't just want to skip uploading if I don't have the time, so that's why I'm squeezing in filming into my routine. Okay, now for the greener part, I'm going to use this light green in the corner with the Juvia's Place 005 small buffer brush. Oh, and I'm in an urge to do my nails, but I didn't have the time yet. So yeah, they're looking not so nice at the moment. I'm just stamping the shade all over my eyelid. This looks yellow. I think I will mix in a little bit of this greener green. So I'm just moving my brush back and forth. And let's see how that looks. Yep, that's a little bit more green. And applying that mix also on my lower lash line. And I'm going to use my previous brush to blend. And I think I will use whatever is left on the brush to blend in my crease a little bit. And also blending my lower lash line. Again, a very simple look. I'm going to use this golden-ish shade to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm using just a small detail brush. This has a lovely undertone. It has kind of a green shift to it. It really fits the eyeshadow look. Time for mascara, and I'm going to apply my Benefit The Real Magnet Mascara. And also I'm applying it on my lower lashes. I would have loved to apply falsies, but I don't think I have time for that. I want to add a little bit something on my waterline, so I'm going to use this NYX Faux Whites pencil in the shade Vanilla. It has a yellowish tint, and I feel like it really suits this look. And that's everything for this look. It was very quick and easy. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I'm going to head to work as usual. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!